Okay, very nice. So we are sharing this one, and here you go. Fine. So now I'm getting it recorded. Later on, you can, anytime you want to see my class, you want to enjoy my class, you can get it. It will be with you, this YouTube link, so that sometimes you know that I want to see once again, I want to revise, I want to energize myself. So you can again visit this link. So Jack and Jill are partners in a farm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So see here, profits and losses ratio is given 3:2, and if ratio is given, you have to share the profit in the ratio. And if nothing is given, no ratio is given, then you have to go by equally. And following is the trial balance. Trial balance is given
Excuse
here.
me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
Sir,
Yeah,
sorry, sir, for disturbance.
please
Sir,
tell
because
me.
I think this question is for Boda and Badua, I think, not differently.
No, I have given two questions. I have given two questions. You please check.
Sir,
I've
this one,
okay.
sir, you are saying
No, I have given you two questions. I think one is Jack and Jill, and another is
Yes,
uh,
sir, given.
Yes, sir, it's Jack and Jill only.
and another Ritu and
So
Raj.
ratio 3/2.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No issue. You can see this question. I think other teacher has given you Borua and all. So just go by this telegram later on. Now you enjoy the class. So furniture debit side 6250. Furniture debit side. It will be which side? You shall be answering now. Where it will go? Furniture debit side. Tell me anyone. Tell me
Balance
For
anyone.
asset.
Balance sheet. Asset. So done.
Sir,
It's clear
balance
to-
sheet.
Okay, it's very clear. But dear students, I want to share one information, one message to you, because MC Shukla, he was a very great author of accountancy, and I during my BCom I studied his book, and MC Shukla in an interview said that there are some good students who do very bad result in accountancy, and in detail he wrote that good student think that I know everything, why should I practice? So on that overconfidence, that good student does not practice, and he knows everything of course, but in exam he gets puzzled and cannot solve the question in time. So dear students, I advise you that you please solve this question yourself. Now I am not solving, I am just going item by item, but you please solve in books, in exercise books, with pen and paper, and it will be very much beneficial to you. Don't do like me, just balance sheet, SS side building, okay, done. No, I'm a teacher, I don't have to appear in exam, but you are a student, you have to practice, please. So next item is building. Anyone may tell me. Building.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet asset side.
Say
You said-
asset.
Okay, balance sheet asset side. Okay, drawings, Jack 1200, Jill 800. Explain
Balance
anyone.
sheet liability side.
Balance sheet library side, then
Balance sheet liability.
then
Liabilities. Liabilities. Liabilities.
and
So
deducted.
deduction from capital.
Very good, very good, very good. And dear students, one more thing I want to share with you from my experience. The more and more you listen these things, it is not that, sir, I know, so I don't have to study. No, the more and more you're listening during a student life, student period, and more you listen to the videos, then it gets some permanent home in your mind. Then you become very much, expert in this. It's not that one time you have learned when over. No. So time and time you can listen to these videos, you can listen to my online classes, you can join my classes and discuss the same thing, and it will be very strong knowledge will be there in your mind. Cash at bank 7,800.
Balance sheet asset side.
Very good. Balance sheet exercise. There's no doubt. Nobody is having doubt. Then debtors 10,000.
Balance sheet asset side.
Very good. Salary is
Asset side.
12,250. Yeah. Well, salary is 12,150.
PL debit
Sir,
side.
PL debit side.
Professional debit
Sir,
side, there is
PL
no,
debit.
yeah, no doubt
PL
about
debit.
it.
PL debit side.
Very good, very good, very good. Insurance 1900.
So PL debit side.
PL
The
debit side.
PL debit.
Okay, okay, okay. And I want to make 1% from you or 2% from you at least. as captain of this group online classes, so that on Wednesday, Tuesday and Thursday by evening 4-5, you shall be giving me a reminder message in my personal number. Yes, sir, you are having class, because I am having so many online say lectures and webinars. So sometimes I may forget, and that should not happen to me. That should not happen. But initial stage maybe I'll be forgetting. So please give a message, sir, you are having class. Okay, you can do this for me. But after 1 week, you need not give me any message like that. It will be in my brain. I'll be remembering that. So insurance, where? Insurance? Is it written insurance?
Profit and loss account debit side.
Profit and
PL
debit
debit.
side? Yeah.
The PL debit.
Very good. And it will actually insurance premium. But they have shortcut, they have written insurance. Actually, it is insurance premium. Then next is written insurance prepaid. Insurance prepaid.
Sir, balance sheet
Asset.
assets.
Balance sheet
balance sheet
asset side.
asset side.
Correct. Very correct. Balance sheet asset side directly. Closing stock in trial balance. Closing stock.
Balance sheet asset side.
Sheet asset.
Balance sheet asset
Very
side.
good. Very good. So these things you know, but you practice. You see, when you solve this question yourself, it may take, suppose, it may take for the first time 50 minutes. And then you again practice another or this one also. Ultimately, it will be 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes. It may be, you should be expert 50 minutes. I also could not solve the question in this type of balance sheet in less than 90 minutes once upon a time. And then I practiced and practiced, and I was so expert that I could finish the balance sheet, and not this one, the bigger company balance sheet, in maximum 15 to 16 minutes, like that. I was so expert, because conception should be very, very clear, and then you can write fast. If you start thinking, it will take time, and you shall not be able to complete the whole question. Okay, rent received, credit side.
So PL credit
PL
side.
credit. PL credit
Very
side.
good, very good.
PL
Credit,
credit.
very good. Creditors.
So liability.
Sir, liability.
Liability side.
Liability.
Balance sheet liability side.
Okay. Capital, Jack and Jill. Two. Capital. Two capital.
Sir,
balance
balance
sheet
sheet.
The balance sheet
The
liability.
liability side.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, once more thing. Some of you might be thinking that these are easy questions. What is joining SARS online class? Oh, I can do it. Don't think this way. Today, for you, it may be easy. Next day's class, maybe I'll be taking something which is tough for you. So regularly you attend the classes. Please mute yourself. So regularly attend my classes. Sometimes you'll be finding I'm doing something which you know. Sometimes you'll find I'm doing something which you don't know. Okay, salary outstanding in trial balance credit side. Salary outstanding.
So liability side.
Liabilities.
Liability side.
Liability.
Correct. Okay, trading account. Just they have given trading account. It means gross profit. Trading account. It
Sir,
will be
profit.
coming
PL credit side.
PL credit.
PL credit side. Correct.
The PL credit.
Correct. Then royalty. Royalty credit side.
Sir,
Royalty.
PL.
PL
The PL
credit
credit
side.
side.
PL credit side. Very good.
PL credit.
Okay. Just one thing I want to clarify. Suppose royalty is given in the debit side. Then
Sir, PL debit.
So
no.
PL debit side.
No. It see, you are not supposed to write here these things any trading account. Actually, otherwise in this case you have to give in PL debit side. There is no way out. But otherwise there will be in it goes to trading account, because when you'll be trading debit. When you should be learning royalty account in BCom, then you should understand that when royalty is the debit side, we pay royalty on production, on sale, or a purchase, on purchase, etc. So that way we shall be discussing again. So let's go to adjustment. Write of bad debts 500. Adjustment. Bad debt 500.
So PL debit side and balance sheet deduction from debtors.
Very good, very good. And then interest on capital to be allowed 5%.
Sir,
So
PL
profit and loss
appropriation.
appropriation.
PL appro.
And
Debit side.
PL
debt from
appro.
capital account.
PL Pro and capital account. PL Appro here, PL Appro, and then balance sheet liability added to capital. Depreciate furniture 10%. Depreciate furniture 10%.
The PL
profit
debit side and
and
balance
PL
sheet
debit and deduct
deducted from
balance sheet
each
deduction
furniture.
from furniture.
Okay. So this question is over. If you have not solved it, it's given in the Telegram group. Please solve it. And let me take another question and share in the WhatsApp group. And this is actually this book, published by Assam Higher Secondary Council. This is a booklet, and see this one, 2 years back actually, I think 2 years back. So here lots of questions are given. So I have taken one question here, a fun question. Which year? Let me just check which year it came in. Excellent. Oh no, no. আচ্ছা আমি একটু পরে কথা তুই দেখ অনলাইন ক্লাস okay so it came in the year I'm not finding it the year, forget it. So this is a question I've given you about Ritu and Raj. Okay, so plant and machinery debit side, be quick because only 10 minutes time left, only 10 minutes left. Plant and machinery,
The balance sheet.
Balance sheet assets.
Balance
salaries,
The PL debit.
PL debit.
The PL debit.
okay, just make me sure one thing. Just suppose this class is, I mean, due to this time limit, Zoom is over. If I share one more fresh link immediately within 2 minutes, will be joining for another 15 minutes. Are you agreed?
Sir, we can join
Yes,
the
sir.
same link.
Yes, sir.
Can you join the same link? But it doesn't permit
sir.
me. This doesn't permit me. It is
No, sir,
it is-
we used to join in Zooms with the same link in other classes. Means in
I can do the same one. I can also we shall try.
Yes, sir.
We shall try. Okay, freight on sale. Freight means carrying charges on sale.
The PL debit
Sir,
side.
PL debit.
The PL debit.
Very good, very good. Building.
Asset.
balance sheet
Balance sheet
asset.
asset
Balance
side.
sheet asset.
Asset.
Very good.
The
Goodwill.
balance sheet asset side.
Correct. Goodwill.
Balance sheet
asset.
asset side.
Okay.
Balance sheet asset side.
Okay, I'm taking 2 items. Furniture and sundry debtors.
Balance sheet
balance
Sir,
asset side.
assets.
The
Bad debts.
balance sheet
Bad
asset
debts.
side.
Bad debts.
Sir, PL debit.
PL debit.
PL
Very
debit.
good.
The PL debit.
Cash at bank.
Balance sheet asset side.
Balance sheet
Balance
asset.
sheet
Okay.
asset side.
See, along with cash at bank, they have given one more item, bank balance. Bank balance. Same balance sheet asset side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same
Yes,
type
sir.
of item they have given.
Yes,
Cash
sir.
in hand. Cash in hand.
Balance sheet asset.
Balance sheet asset.
Asset.
Okay.
The balance
Draw-
sheet asset.
Okay. Drawings. Ritu and Raj. Drawings.
Sir,
Sir, balance sheet liability.
The balance sheet liabilities
The
deducted
No.
from capital.
Balance sheet liabilities.
Reduced from
Right.
capital. Very good. Very good. Closing stock.
The
Asset.
balance
The
sheet
asset.
debit side.
Balance sheet
Balance sheet
asset.
asset
Okay.
side.
Credit side capital. 2 capitals are there.
So liability side.
Okay.
Liability side.
Trading account gross profit.
The PL credit
Sir,
Sir,
side.
profit and loss account.
PL credit.
Okay. Creditors.
The balance sheet
Liability
liability
side.
side.
Liabilities.
Very good. Very good. Bank loan.
Balance sheet
The
liabilities.
balance
Balance sheet liability side.
Bad debts recovered. Do you understand this? Bad debt
The
recovered?
PL.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. PL credit side.
PL
Any-
debit side.
Anybody who does not
PL
understand
credit.
the meaning? Anybody who does not know the
And the-
meaning?
The me.
Okay. Bad debt means, money is taken away by some debtors and he did not return the money. Money is gone. You lost it. So it comes to Talbot debit side and PL debit side. It's a loss, bad debt. But sometimes what happens, after you treated its loss, that person comes to you and returns the money now. So that is bad debt recovered. You treated as bad debt. Bad debt means money lost, but ultimately that debtor, that customer has given you back the money. So that is your gain, income, bad debt recovered. It comes to PL credit side. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Reserve fund, credit side. Reserve fund,
So balance sheet liability side.
very good, very good. And commission,
So PL credit side.
The appropriation.
okay. Now
The
this is
PL
done.
credit.
PL credit side, this is done. But in adjustment, some points are there. Number one, partners are entitled to interest on capital. So I need not explain. You remember PL appropriation debit side and balance sheet liability added to
Yes,
capital.
sir.
I need not take time. Transfer 10% to reserve fund. So 10% of net profit, from the net profit you take 10% and write in the PL appropriation account, like I've written to general reserve, you write here to reserve fund. And 10%, whatever is the net profit, you 10% you take and write here. Hope it is clear to you. And this reserve fund will be added to again balance sheet. Another reserve fund was already there, 10,000, it will be added. Anybody wants to know any doubt is there? Clear, no?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Then,
sir.
okay. Then further bad debt 200 and make provision 5%. So this I explained class. In working you go, you write Sandy debtors, and from that further bad debt 200 you reduce, and on the balance you find out provision for bad debt or provision for doubtful debt 5%. This statement already you have learned. I think that there should not be any problem. But if there's any problem, you can ask me. But let me finish this question now, and you can ask me next session, right now only. And depreciate machinery 10%. Any doubt, anybody? Depreciate machinery 10%. It will come to PL debit side. You take 10% of machinery, write in the PL debit side, and in the balance sheet asset side, you write machinery, and from machinery you shall deduct this depreciation of 10%. But one very interesting tricky point is given here in the adjustment. See, this one you may need to understand. 1/3 of the commission received was related to work to be done in next year. See, in the trial balance credit side, commission is 9,000. You said this commission will be going to PL credit side. You said that is correct. Now they are saying in PL credit side you shall be writing commission here. Say 9,000 you should be writing here. That is okay. But now they are saying in the adjustment that 1/3 of the commission belongs to next year. That means this is prepaid commission. No, pre-received. You cannot say
So
prepaid.
received in advance.
Very good. Received in advance. So you should write by here you should write by commission 9,000 less received in advance 3,000, 133,000. So 6,000 will be coming to the right hand side, and that 3,000 will be going to which place? Can you tell me?
So
Received in
balance
advance.
sheet liability side.
Very
The
good.
liability side.
Very good. When you receive in advance, it goes to balance sheet liability side. It goes to balance sheet liability side. So 2 questions we have explained now. But see, this type of teaching will not help you unless you practice yourself. You are supposed to practice this question. You have not done in the afternoon. Please solve it. And next, I shall be taking again new questions. And after this chapter is over, I'll be taking some other chapter, whichever is necessary. And this way we shall go ahead. Try to sit with me every week at least 2 times, and this 45, 50, 1 hour minutes, and then clarify your doubts. You can do, these are simple questions, but please practice, and I shall be explaining some critical points whichever you want to know. Now meeting will be over in 1 minute. So are you going to join once again for some time?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay, very good. So if this is gone, then no problem. We shall be, I'm going to take the same link once again.